What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be attempting a challenge where I'm going to have to solve this Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes. I've never done it under 3 minutes, and my best time was like something like maybe like 3 minutes and a half, 4 minutes ish, something like that. So this is going to be a real challenge. So we'll see how I do. Alright, now we're going to try and solve the cube under 3 minutes. Let me look at the cube. Let me see how it's scrambled. And ready in 3, 2, 1, go. First step. Now I need the white cross. This is so stressful. Alright, come on, this is so stressful. Alright, I just need to finish the rest of the whites. Alright, white's done. Now I need to do this. Bang, now I need the second layer done. That needs to then where is it? Oh god. Come on. Second layer done. Yellow cross. Yellow cross is finished. I just need to align the colors now. Alright. Bam, colors are aligned. I just need to see how these will work. Okay. Now I need to align the corners in the correct way. Alright. Okay, last step. Last step. Got it! In 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Fully solved. That is my new record. I'm shocked. I've never done it that well. I honestly thought it was gonna take like 10 tries, but that is just crazy. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. That is crazy. I am really shocked right now. I do not know how I just did that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!